This is it, all my friends out there. It looks like our guess was right. Honda Philippines, HPI, has now officially launched the all-new Honda ADV 160. If you saw the global launch a while back, then you know that in terms of aesthetics, there aren't really a lot of changes here. The ADV 160 still bears the same look as its predecessor. What Honda has done here is drop the decals for the entire range and opt for a cleaner look for all colorways. The handlebar and the wheels now also sport matte brown finishes. As for the color options, there's matte gunpowder black metallic, matte pearl crate metallic, and matte solar red metallic. Let's move on to the new engine. Powering the new ADV 160 is a 157 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 4-valve, single-cylinder engine that churns out 15.8 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 14.7 Newton-meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. That's similar to the other new models in HPI's lineup. The ADV 160 also gets Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, a new USB-A port in the front console box, a longer windscreen, a larger under-seat compartment, 28 liters to 30 liters, and a fuel tank lid holder. The instrument panel also features a new layout, with all the indicators integrated into a single display. Another thing to note is that seat height is now down from 795mm to 780mm. Other tech such as the Honda Smart Key system, albeit with a new key fob, the idling stop system, and of course, the anti-lock braking system. The new ADV 160 prices at 164,900 pesos. What do you think of HPI's newest offering? We'll have more content on this out on our channel soon, so check back here for more.